After 3 hours of driving in one direction, you travel 240 kilometers. So 3 hours, you travel this far, 240. So in 3 hours, you travel 240 kilometers. That means that in 1 hour, we're going to divide both sides by 3. In 1 hour, you travel 240 kilometers divided by 3, which is 80 kilometers. So essentially your speed or your velocity is 80 kilometers per hour. And for these types of problems, it's good to know the formula, distance equals velocity times time. And we know the velocity or the speed is 80. And the question here is saying the distance we want to travel is 360 kilometers away. So the distance is given here. So 360 is equals to 80 t. And the question is how long? Find t. This is simply a matter of algebra. Divide both sides by 80. We get t is equals to 360 over 80. The zeros cancel out. You will find that t is 4.5 hours. By the way, if you divide top and bottom by 4, you'll get a fraction 9 over 2. Let's try part B. You return home with a 10 km per hour tailwind. So that means you're going to be pushed to go even faster. How long will your return trip take? Now it's important to really visualize this question here because our ultimate destination from point A to point B is not 240 but it's actually 360 kilometers. So AB is 360 kilometers. We already went to our destination and now the question is we're heading back, but this time we're a bit faster by 10 kilometers. Previously we had the formula distance equals velocity time, and the velocity was 80. But on the way back, we're a bit faster, so it's going to be 80 plus 10, which is distance equals 90t. And on the way back, we're still covering the same 360 kilometers. So 360 is equals to 90t. We divide both sides by 90. The zeros cancel out, and so t is equals to 4. 4 hours is faster than 4.5. And finally, what's your overall average speed traveling both to your destination and back home? So we know that distance equals velocity times time. And we're talking about the distance going there and back. We're not including the fact that you're pausing at your vacation. We're traveling 360 there and 360 back. 360 plus 360 is 720 kilometers. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to solve for the velocity, the speed. So we don't know what v is, but we do know what the t is, the combined times. We found t1 was 9 over 2, and we found t2 was 4. Or 4.5 plus 4 is 8.5. Let's use algebra, divide both sides by 8.5. And the velocity averages to be 84.7 kilometers per hour.